Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mount acoustic foam on your walls in a cheap, easy, and effective way without damaging the walls itself. Alright, so we have a black poster board from Dollar Tree. Black is preferred so you don't see through it easily. Command strips, 16-pound capacity ones. Foam mounting tape, also from Dollar Tree, measuring tape, and some sort of marker to mark down guidelines. So right here, I'm getting the measuring tape. I'm measuring the width of the board, which I then found out was about 30 inches, also 20 inches length from bottom to top. I marked down the 10 in the middle, and that's going to be my guideline. So right now you need to get a ruler or any type of thing that will help you create a straight line. I used another poster board that Dollar Tree has. It's just as good, so I got the job done. And then I got a acoustic foam and I measured it. Also from left to right, the acoustic foam is 12 inches by 12 inches. So you put it in the middle and you measure the inches on the left or right side of it, which gave me 9 inches and 9 inches on the other side too. And I also placed a little dot to see where it is so I can create another line. I got my other poster board, created a straight line, and these lines are going to be guidelines, so you'll know exactly where to place the acoustic foam on the poster board to make it all evenly distributed. This is the other line I made. Alright, and then I got my foam mounting tape. I'm gonna apply them now to the top corners of the first acoustic foam. Apply them everywhere in the top because the top is gonna be mainly on the poster board. And then I saw how much was sticking out. I used my finger as a guideline, and now I'm going to apply more on the bottom. Also press firmly on these foam mounting tape so they get a good stick to the pad. They got a good stick, get ready to peel them off and press them on the poster board. Firmly press it too, so you want it to have a nice strong hold on the poster board. Even go from the bottom of the poster board or under it and then press it in between, but don't push too hard because then you could bend the poster board. As you can see, that's how much is going to be hanging off from the wall or from the poster board, and it looks evenly distributed. Next, we're going to do the acoustic foam on the right side. This is going to be tricky because the majority of the board is sticking out. So you put acoustic, or you put a foam mounting tape on the right side of it after measuring your finger, or you measure using your finger. See how much, or see where the poster board touches at the tip of your finger as a guideline. And then you do it from the bottom as well. Use your finger as a guideline. So created, as you can see, there's a little L. It looks like a little small box, but I call it like an L, like an imaginary line. And then just start applying the pads in the imaginary box that doesn't exceed to the left and to the bottom. Firmly press on the foam mounting tape, and then when it's firmly pressed, you can start peeling and get ready to apply it to the poster board. Like I said before, firmly pressed from the bottom too. You want that acoustic foam to get really tight onto that poster board. And you're gonna apply that to all sides, and then this should be your finished product after everything is done. Alright, so now we're gonna apply the command strips. Be careful flipping it over. You want to do it nice and gentle. Any quick movements can make it go bad. You're gonna get both command strips and then press them tightly together. And this is the Velcro they come with. It's like a nice hold. And you're gonna get all of them and press down nice and firm. We're going to apply the command strip, peel one side off, and place it in the corners of the poster board. Firmly press it down. It needs a nice hold, especially when it's going to be hanging off the wall. Apply to all four corners. Next, we're going to mount it on the wall. This is the space on the wall that I want to put the acoustic foam poster board. Now we're going to peel the corners to get ready to mount them on the wall. Find a nice spot. Make sure there's no gap in between where you could see the wall color. And then when you're ready or you think it's perfect, you push down on all corners of where the command strips were. Nice and tight. Press them really hard because they're going to be stuck on there and they need a nice hold so they don't fall down later. And this is how it should look. And there we have it. If you like the video, subscribe. Thing is about the stickiness, it depends on how much little pads you put in behind the studio foam. So the amount of pads, little pads you put, I think the more sturdier it would be, as in regards to like how well the hold will be. And if you didn't like the placement, let's say you already put it on the wall and you didn't like the placement, you just take it off, and then the Velcro will pop off, and then just place it, just move it a little bit, get it adjusted, and then you can push it back on and then press, and then it will pop right back in place. So yeah, if you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.